Yo, yo, yo. Now that we solved the 9th, let's jump to the 10th stuff, which is that one. Let's read the thing. Let's create the scaffold files after that. Cool. Day 10, elves say. Today, the elves are playing the game called Look and Say. They take turns making sequences by reading aloud the previous sequence and using that reading as the next sequence. For example, 211 is read 1 2 2 once, which becomes 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 once. Yeah. Look and say sequences are generated iteratively using the previous value as input for the next step. For each step, take the previous value and replace each run of the digits, like 111, it will be 3 1, because 3 ones. For example, yada yada yada. Starting with the digits, your puzzle input process 40 times. What's the length of the result? Your puzzle input is... Oh. Okay. 40 times. So this is the input, and we need to do that iterative thingy 40 times. Cool. So no file now. That's interesting. So... Yes. Let's copy the 9th thing and rename it to 10. I said 10th. Yeah. Let's rename it as 10th day. Yep. We don't need this thing, not this. No, not that one. Yeah. So this thing should be a solvable anything. We want to return with, I don't know, 2 and 2. And yeah, maybe we will stick with this thing. Because first, solve second. Yeah, we will see. So that's a 10th day, and we kinda have to include it in our lib.rs. Pub mod 10th, not pub, not m, but just this one. Jumping on here, we don't need your distance-ish thing. We will delete this thing, and yeah, we will see. So it should work. We don't need that minikube stuff. Let's add one commit. We added one new file because no input ties were provided yet. We can create files with that content. Yeah, we probably should do that. Test should be 10. Test. Yeah, I know, thank you. And we should... This is the text for the test. And this should be the first... This is the 10 prod. Yeah, we will see. Prod. And maybe we should add this thing here. The test is 1. Cool. So what should we do here in the 10th stuff? We should read the 10 test, 10 prod. I'm not sure about this input because that's not really an input, but we will see. So the solver first should read from the example, and after, yeah, that one. Cool. We need a few, maybe not this one. So how can we create this iterative function, whatever thing? Maybe we should add a few things here. So somehow we need to create a function which is called Luke. What is it called? Look and say. It requires a string, current, which is a string, and it should have an output as a string. I will use the uppercase string for now. Maybe we will change this thing later. What happens here? Oh boy. Yes. What's that? Push string to string. Yeah. We can do, I guess, a bit better than this. So yeah. So we do have one. Ooh, that's not really healthy. I mean, if we don't have any, I mean, if the string is empty, we are kinda messed up here a little bit. But yeah, we will see. But actually, this whole look and say stuff should be. I mean, it should have an input, hopefully. So yeah, so the result is. Yeah, that looks interesting. Yeah, let's see if it even works. So this thing should be called iteratively multiple times. So the first solution should say that we need to override this content with this, and we have to return with the contents, the new contents length as I32. Can we say that? Oh yeah, the content is not a mutable thing. Yeah, looking good, makes sense. So we should create a mutable shadowing of this variable, and let's see if this works. If the prod test is 1, and we would call, wait, oh, yeah, the thing is, we need a number, because we want to call this thing multiple times. Am I correct? It should be 1, 2, 3, 4 times here, and it should be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this should be the 5th call of this thing. So that should be rather a full 50. Oh, 40 times. Yeah, we will see. So the first, yeah, it doesn't matter, this thing. Yeah. We don't want it 41 times, but 40 times only. And let's run the tests. Let's see what's going on. We shouldn't really care about this thing. Ooh. But the example after 40 iteration should be this. And we should see what the... Yeah, so the prod value after 40 iterations should be this number, whatever this thing is. Let's try it out. Yeah, nice. And the next neat write, you might also enjoy hearing John Conway talking about this sequence, Game of Life. That's a funky one. Now start it again with the digits in your puzzle input. Apply this process 50 times. What? So, what? Okay. I mean, we can probably do this by copy pasting this thing and rewriting actually one character. Okay. Obviously it will be an error. I mean, it will... Ooh. Okay. So it's not this number, but the other one. and it is not 909, but let's see. Ooh, that's that big number. Wow, it was probably the fastest earned gold star pairs, and meet you in the next one. Bye bye.